I greet you. So this is the video about Google advert. Okay, so this is my number one secret when it comes to affiliate marketing. Pay serious attention to this. In case there is any interruption during this video, do bear with me. You know we do internet business and I am connected to the internet in making this video. So if there's any distraction along the way, please do bear. So that's by the way. So once you download Google Ads, the application from your Google Play Store or from your Apple phone, this is where you should land yourself after you have logged into your Gmail. Okay, you will see something like this. You may not switch to expert mode because you are not a professional marketer yet. So you have to start by their own recommendation. Check if this thing is clickable, select your ad goal. It's not clickable. This one is not clickable. This one is not clickable. So the only thing that is clickable here is create ad. So you click on create ad. Okay, they will prompt you they will prompt to guide you through the processes. So these phone calls is not what you need. You need website traffic. You select website traffic, then you click on next. Give us your business name. What is your business name? Okay, what is your name? Something like that. So let's just say Stanley Parks. Okay, so you click on next. Your website, HTTPS. So your website, you can use either your free website that you get from card.co, or a blogger website. They are two free website platform, or any other website free website platform. Or if you have a paid premium website like my own at stanleymart.com or stanleymart.com.ng. Okay, so you can use it something like this. They are paid premium website that will make your site to look more professional and up to standard. But that doesn't mean that you can't use your normal free website for the Google adverts. You can use it. Okay, so this one will cost you 25,000 naira to get as of today. I'm making this video being the 30th of August 2022. Okay, so it will cost you 25,000 naira to get a paid website like my own at stanleymart.com or stanleymart.com.ng. But if you need free website, they can still serve you well for a start. So I also have a video on how you can set up your free website using card and or blogger. Okay, so once you are done putting your website like this, make sure you start it with https:// then your domain name. Then you click on next. So this is what it will bring up. So it will bring a screenshot of that website that you just put there. Okay, so you can see there's nothing on my own home page. That is why it is bringing up something like this. Do you understand? So the next thing to do now is to click on next. Now it's time to write your ad. So headline is what people will see when they search on Google for your business. Okay, what people will see there. So you can see these things here. We don't need it for now, because this video I am making, I will be focusing on Amazon KDP as one of the products we have on Expertnet platform. Okay, so internet marketing service, we don't want our advert to show up when people search for something like this. So we have to remove it. Okay, we have to remove it. You can just select all and then change it to something like Amazon KDP. Done. Okay, so this one again, you remove it, change it to how to start Amazon KDP. Done. Then this one again, you remove it to change it to Amazon Kindle Publishing. Done. So You can see these things are what you think people may be searching for about that product that you want to advertise. You can use Google search to advertise any product, to sell any product. Okay, so this your headline should contain the keywords that you think people will be searching on Google for. Okay, so for you to have more ideas on what to use here, just go to your Google search and search for Amazon KDP. Just write Amazon KDP. You will see Google suggesting some other keywords for you. Those things that will drop below that one that you yourself is searching for. They are all suggestions, and they are all what people are searching for about that's your product. If you're advertising any other thing like copywriting, just write copywriting. You will see other suggestions from Google. And again, you can scroll down the page. You will see those places that other keywords are being listed for you to just click and it will be searched. So to copy all of them, they are all the keywords that your business or that your product needs when it comes to Google adverts. So this description just describe what your advert is about. Okay, just describe what your advert is about. So select it and then say Amazon KDP. Let's say how to start Amazon KDP in Nigeria, stuff like this. So done. Okay, so description 2 again, you edit this one to Amazon Kindle Publishing step by step guide 2022. So anything that you think that will make people to understand why or what your advert is about, you don't need to start explaining, to start making explanation here. Just give them headline tips here, okay, in form of description. Do you understand? So this headline, you can still add more. Maybe after you have done creating this here, you can add up to 15 headlines and up to three description. So let's just continue first. Maybe after you have created your ad, you can now go to edit them and add more information. So show a call button in your ad, unselect it. Okay, then once you are done with this one, you can see how your advert is showing. I see it's Amazon KDP, how to start Amazon KDP, Amazon Kindle Publishing. Okay, so this is it. This is how it will be showing when your advert is active. You can see here people will search for something on Google here, and then your advert will be showing up like this. Okay, so once you're done with this one, you click on next. So it will ask you to add keywords to match your ad to match your ad to searches. So keywords are just like I've said before, what people are searching for about your product. I've already told you how to get them by going to Google search, and then you search for any product that you want to promote, maybe Amazon KDP or freelancing or copywriting or e-commerce. As you are searching for it, Google will be making some suggestions for you. So the one that you don't need, don't use them. Like this one here, just remove them by clicking on this remove icon beside each of them. Just remove them. So new keywords team, suggested keyword teams. So we don't need any of this stuff here. So let me just add one. Let's say Amazon KDP. It is part of the thing that we need. So Amazon KDP, we add it. So let's add another one. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So we need this one. You add it. So you add another one. How to start Amazon KDP. Add it. Add another one. Amazon KDP sign up. You add it. So you can add as many more as possible, things that you think people are searching for Google, are searching on Google for about Amazon KDP or about any other product you are promoting. Okay, so once you are done with that, you see advertise in English, leave it like that, then you click on next. Click on next. So this one, it's already you leave it at Nigeria. Okay, just leave it at Nigeria like this, then you click on next. So here they're asking us to select a budget option. You can see currency is US dollars. Don't change this to Naira. You will see Naira here, but do not select Naira. Just leave it at USD, at dollars. Okay, that is how you will be paying. So you have to choose your own budget. Okay, choose your own budget here. To enter your own budget, click on it. Then say for a start, if you're not that financially capable, just start with $3 per day. Sorry, start with $3 per day. Okay, then as time goes on, you can now scale up. Okay, as time goes on, you can now scale up. So $3 per day is okay. You can also go for $2 per day, depending on your pocket. You can also do $5 per day. You can also do $10 per day. So the more you are spending is the more your advert will be showing up to people, and the more people that will be chatting you, that will be visiting your website and then chatting you up on WhatsApp, asking you about your question, about your business, and one day they will buy what you are selling. Okay, so we are leaving it for the sake of this training at $3 per day. Next. Okay, so now it's asking us to review our campaign to make sure it is correct. Okay, so everything here is okay for us. Everything here is okay for us. So our campaign goal is website traffic, our website, business name, ads text, location Nigeria, keyword teams, budget $3 per day. Okay, so click on next. So it now asks us to set up billing. Okay, so what is your billing country? Nigeria. What is your time zone? GMT +1. Correct. Next. Okay, so you'll be presented with a screen like this. You can see payment profile. You leave it like this. It's already at individual, so that is correct. Instead of it to be organization, it should not be this organization profile. No, it should not be organization profile. Okay, so you leave it like this, but let's just click on change. Let's see what is there. Okay, so if you're creating new payment profile like this, you don't have to do this one because we don't need this organization here. So you are an individual, so you leave it at individual. Okay, so leave it this one like this. Stanislaus okay. My name is already there with my Gmail. Okay, this is my name on Gmail. That is why it is being seen here. Okay, so you Google Nigeria ID. Okay, so add payment method. You click on this plus button, then you click on this your add credit or debit card, then you put your card details, not your normal Nigerian card details here. Okay, what you use cheaper cash app. It's an application, so you have to download it. If you download it, then you install it and set it up. Okay, it should take you between 24 to 48 hours to get everything done. Okay, so once you are done, you create your dollar card with them, your virtual dollar card with them. Then come and post the card details here. Then the month, then the security code, which is the CVV, the 3 numbers. Okay, so month and year, card number, then card holder's name, billing address and legal address are the same. So once you're done, you click on save card. But we are not putting anything for now. So cancel. Yes, return back. So if everything here is correct, then you click on submit. It might not know if it will submit because I didn't add any payment method. Let me check. Let me check. See, it is why not to put a payment method. Okay, let me put something. Let me put my normal card here, my normal Nigerian card. Okay, so let me just put it. Okay, I've just added my card details here. Okay, my normal Nigerian card details. Boy, it may not be able to pay. I can't pay with it. Okay, but for the sake of this training, I just added it. Okay, you should also carry your own card details for your head, like my two card, my GTB and my UBA. I have all the information in my head, so anywhere I am, I can pay for anything online without me looking for my ATM card. So do well to carry your own as an internet marketer on your head. That is what your head is made for. Okay, so you can see automatic payment here is now active, so you can now change it to manual payment. So automatic payment, it means that you can run adverts and then you pay them at month end. Okay, manual payment means that you have to pay for your adverts ahead of time. So before your adverts start running, you have to pay. So automatic payment, you can just start running advert without making payment, and that is where we are. That is what we have to do. Okay, continue. So you can run adverts in credit, but do not owe them. Hence, Google will get you. Be very careful. So if you must do this automatic payment, don't owe them whenever it is time for you to pay them. You have to pay them. They will give you some grace of so many days or weeks. When you refuse, they will come to your house. They will locate you. Okay, so don't try to play. Google is not people you play pranks with. They are not MTN that you borrow something from and you refuse to pay them. Google will locate you, come your place. So be careful. So once you are done with all these things, you click on submit. We need your payment information to start running your advert. Nigerian GMT. I think we have done this thing before. Okay, so now congrats, you are all done. Explore your campaign. So let us see our campaign is. Let me get my power bank. Okay, so you can see our campaign name is Amazon KDP. That's our campaign name. So it is pending. It is pending approval from Google. Okay, it is still pending approval. Then you can see statistics that is showing out impression. 0 clicks, 0. Okay, so search term reports. We're not doing anything here. Not doing anything, nothing. Add test, landing page and business info, location, budget, $3 daily. So then that is it for this one. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to pause this campaign. Pause campaign. Pause. Okay, so once you have paused it, go back like this. Then you click on this switch to expert mode. Click on switch to expert mode. Switch. New campaign. Again, no. Leave. So campaigns. Want to switch expert mode. Switch expert mode. Switch. Let me see what will happen, sure. Stanley Parks. HTTPS. What is this one? Twitter.com expander. Let me just leave it and see what is happening. A valid website URL. Now, I've never run adverts with phone. No. Google advert with phone before. So let me just see what is happening here. I'm not doing anything with this thing, so discard. Okay, so here now, the next thing I want us to do, I would like you to do is to these settings here, no. So let's just close Google Adverts. Let's just close it, and then open it again. So our page is still looking like this. Our page is still looking like this. Let us view campaign. View campaign. This is not how I want this thing to look like, okay? So just view campaign. Okay, then since it is not bringing up the page, the look I want it to appear with, let's just go ahead and switch to expert mode. Let's just create a new stuff. Okay, now, okay, so it is now like this. This is what I've been looking for. Okay, so it is now like this now. So last days today. Okay, so this is the expert view of Google Ads. Okay, this is how I want it to look like. So now click on campaigns. Once you are here, you click on campaigns. Let us add this campaign that we post, which we have already created. So you click on it. Allow it. Amazon KDP. Search term reports, keyword teams, Amazon KDP. Add text, landing page, business info. Write another ad. Add text. This one very different to, but if you got it out, sure. So Amazon KDP. Once I click on this thing, it should direct me to add group. That is the normal thing. I don't know why it is doing like this. Okay, so add groups. Oh, we forgot it how to do it here. Okay, we have to create a new campaign now. Okay, let's just discard this one. Let me delete this one. If there's an option to delete it now, I will. Resume, no. Okay, let's just create a new campaign. You can see I am on campaigns here. You can see the campaign tab down below this page here. Okay, so click on this plus icon, this plus button here, then click on search. Okay, then after clicking on search, then you click on your website, standima.com.ng. Let me use this particular website. Okay, so still add your website here, just like I have already told us before. So click on next. So then we are no more in the smart campaign view. We are now in the expert view. Okay. So name your campaign. Name it Amazon KDP. Okay. Your budget per day. How much do you want to spend every day? Let's say $3. I've already talked about this one. Then what do you want to focus on? Select clicks. Okay. Then set the maximum cost per click. maximum cost per click bid limit. How much do you want to pay when somebody clicks on your advert on Google? Say $0.02. Okay, so when somebody touches your ad on Google search, you will pay Google $0.02. Okay, so your budget per day is $3. You can also do $5 if you can, or even $10, or even $20, or even $30, or even $50, or even $100 per day or more. So you can just start with $3 or even $2. Okay, it all depends on your pocket. The more you are bidding, the more you are spending a day, or the more you are budgeting, the more people that will be coming to you. All right, so forget about this, ignore this. Their warnings here. Then you come down, these networks here, click on it. Then you remove this Google display, then click on done. Okay, then dates, don't set any date. Locations, select Nigeria only, done. Then there's no other thing to select here. Okay, no other thing to select here. So click on next. Ad group settings. So name your ad group. Let's say you can name it KDP ad group. KDP ad group 1, or just say KDP ad group, like that. Then keywords, I've already talked about keywords. Okay, so remove these ones that are below here. Remove recommended keywords, just click on it, remove. Okay, so add your own keyword. Add a keyword, click on this thing, then you add it. So you can see broad, phrase, exact. So this exact means that if you are searching, if you put Amazon KDP like this, it means that, and you select this exact like this, you can see it is now enclosed in the bracket. It means that when somebody searches for Amazon Kindle publishing, your advert will not show up. When somebody searches for Amazon how to start Amazon KDP in Nigeria, your advert will not show up. So your advert will only show up when somebody searches for Amazon KDP only. Okay, that is exact match. So phrase match is when somebody searches contains Amazon KDP either in the beginning or at the ending, like how to start Amazon KDP, your advert will show up, or Amazon KDP startup step-by-step guide, your advert will show up. But when somebody searches for anything that does not contain your keyword, this is your Amazon KDP in the beginning or at the end, your advert will not show up. Then broad match is when you let your advert show up anytime, anywhere. Once somebody searches contains Amazon KDP, let your advert show up. Okay, so let's leave this one at Amazon KDP exact match. You click on done. Then you can still add as many more keywords as possible. Let's say how to start Amazon KDP. Let's leave this one as phrase match. Okay, click on done. You can still add another one, Amazon Kindle publishing, Kindle Direct publishing. You can leave this one as phrase match. Click on done. Then you can add more. I've already told you how to get more of these keywords, okay, from Google search. Okay, so once you are done adding your keywords, you click on next. So this one is your ad. You can see the ad strength here. So as you are putting these ones here, anyway, let's just start. Final URL is where the website that they should be directed to once they are done with the. Once they click on your advert, which website should they go to? So you put your website here, whether a free website or a paid website, whether card or blogger or something like this. So headlines here should also contain your keywords as well. Okay, something like Amazon KDP. Sorry, this capital letter is not allowed, so don't use capital letter like this. So just something like this, Amazon KDP or publishing. So it should be in sentence case or small letters, not capital letter throughout. So the first each word should start with capital letter. So another one is Amazon KDP. You can still add another one, how to start Amazon KDP. You can still add more headlines here. Add headline, you can see it, add more here. Okay. okay, from the keywords that you used. That is where you should derive your ideas from Google. Go to Google and get those. I've already explained all this thing before. Let's not make the video to be too long. New description. Add your description here. How to start Amazon KDP in Nigeria. Okay. Then the second one, you can say Amazon KDP direct publishing, step by step guide. Okay, so this description, just describe what your advert is about. You don't need to start explaining what Amazon KDP is here. Just give them a tip of what they are about to learn. Okay, you can add more description here. You can add more headlines up to 15. Okay, you can add up headlines up to 15. Okay, the more you add, the better. So you can see our ad strength here is giving us a poor score. Okay, so make it to at least to be good or average or better still, excellent. So the more you are adding your keywords, the more you are adding your headlines, the more you are adding your description, you will see this thing, it will be changing. So make it, edit this stuff until you start seeing average, good. Just leave it as good. If you can do excellent, fine. But for a start, let it be good, not average. Average is still okay, but try to do it good. Okay. So once you are done with this one, you click on publish here. Okay. So our stuff is now published. Okay. You can see, congratulations, your campaign is now set up. You understand? So this is Google Advert for you. We are now done with how to set up Google Adverts. So this is that for this video. If you want to manage your adverts, your campaign, you can see we are already in the campaign. So click on this settings icon above here. So you can see our campaign here. If you want to change your daily budget, average daily budget, you can come here, select, maybe increase it to $5 per day, then click on save. Then if you want to change your bidding, how much you want to pay for each click, CPC, you can come here, change it here, 0.05 maybe per day, per click, click on save. Okay, so there's no other thing to know about this stuff. So this is how to manage your campaign. So the one we are making use of is this Amazon KDP. This KDP that says search, not smart. Okay, so let me remove this. Let me find a way to remove this one. But there's no way. I don't understand these people here. Just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. Okay. So, but know the one that you're making use of. This Amazon KDP. Always differentiate your campaign. So if once you land on your Google Ads app, this is what you will see like this. So for you now to locate your campaign, you click on campaigns here. Okay, to edit that your campaign that you want to go into. Before that, this that you can see eligible learning. So learning means that Google Ads is trying to understand your campaign for them to make it to say better. So it is nothing to worry about. So let's click on our campaign, Amazon KDP here. So if you want to see your ad groups, that's your keywords, then you click on this ad groups. Then KDP ad group, you click on it. So these are you see this more button by the down right, more, click on more, then click on keywords. Okay, then you can see your keywords here. It's just 3, so you can add more. You can add more keywords here, or you can remove. Okay, for you to remove, click on anyone that you want to remove. Let's say Amazon KDP. Then you scroll down, you see remove keyword. I'm not removing it because we need it in this campaign. So let's go back. So if I want to add more, you click on this plus button here. Then you can see add a keyword. Click on this add a keyword. Then choose the keyword that you want to add. Let's say Amazon KDP sign up. Then exact match. Let's do exact match for it. Then you click on done. Okay. So click on save. So it will now be added here. Okay, that is how to add more keywords to your advert, to your campaign. So if you want to see your ads or maybe edit it, you click on this ads here. Click on this ads here. You can see it is still under review. You just have to allow it until they review it. If they should accept it, they should approve it. Okay, so Amazon KDP, for you to edit it, you just click on it, touch this Amazon KDP, this column, this add column, touch it. Then you can see your this thing here. So you can just scroll down, headlines. You can add more headlines from here. You can add more description. You know, if you want to post this your ad, you can just post it by clicking on this, switching this thing off like this, pause. Okay, but we are not posting it. Or in fact, I am posting it because this video is just a training. I don't need this advert to start running. If you want to remove this advert, this ad in particular, click on remove ad. Okay, so close this thing, go back. It is now paused. Let them not approve it. Let me also go back. If I want to pause this one as well, let me pause this one. I'll click on this settings by the top right here, settings. Then I'll click on enabled, then pause. Let me pause it. I don't want this campaign to start running. If I want to remove it, I click on this remove ad group. Let me go back and pause my campaign itself. Okay, let me go back and pause the campaign itself. So this is the campaign here, Amazon KDP encapsulator. So I click on it, then I'll click on this settings icon. Okay, so I'll click on enabled, pause. So this is it about Google Advert. I wish you the very best in this stuff. Okay, I'll show you my secret. It is now left to you to learn more, go deeper in learning about this Google Advert. It will help you in your business, any business, not just affiliate marketing. Okay, you understand? So that is it for that. Nobody else will teach you, may teach you this for free. Okay, I'm teaching you this thing for free. I don't think I'm charging you what I'm supposed to charge you, but if you like, you work with it. If you like, disregard it. I've done my best, and heaven knows that I've done my best. If you're not more making sales, if you don't make sales in the next 1 month here, then you are the person that is doing yourself. You're holding yourself. Okay, so I want you to start making sales like mad. And if my training will help you or helps you to make sales, make sure you appreciate by at least showing me the appreciation in the WhatsApp group. Say that yes, I helped you, that you're thanking me. We need it for our own social proof, at least to show other people that yes, we are able to train people. So if you think I am capable to train people like you, then show me the appreciation. Do not just conceal it within yourself or tell me privately anywhere. Just make sure that you give me that appreciation, so that other people will also know that yes, I know something when it comes to affiliate marketing. But normally, don't I know anything? Don't mind me. Yeah, thank you. All the best here. Okay. Sorry, this video is somehow too long, but I wish you the very best. It's for your own good. All right then. If you have any other question, ask Google or ask YouTube. Don't ask me. So your cheaper cash, the video, I think I will still make it. I try making it, but the network is not responding. So if I later do not make it, you don't see any cheaper cash video here, go to YouTube and search for how to set up cheaper cash, how to start using, how to get your dollar card with cheaper cash. You see a video training that other people have done. Watch it and learn how to get your cheaper cash so that you can be able to add money to this your Google Ads. Okay, so that is it for that. All the best, my dear. Do have a wonderful time. Bye.